Kay. Yeah.
What?
This is Kay.
No. This is my sister, Cheryl. Where is she?
She's not here. I'm sorry. I don't know where she went. You better wait for my son and ask him. He knows where Kay is. I mean, Cheryl is.
Yeah.
Okay?
Look, do you mind if I wait here?
Of course not. Come in.
Thank you.
So, her name is Cheryl.
Yes. Something really important.
George is here.
So,
What will I do with him?
Don't bother with him. I'll send someone else to deal with him. Just kill Cheryl.
Okay.
Oh, mabuti dumating ka na. Nagpunta rito yung kapatid ni Kay. Cheryl pala pangalan nun.
Oh, nasaan siya?
Nainip ka hihintay, babalik na lang daw siya. Nasaan ba si Kay? Hindi ko na nga dinatnan dito sa bahay eh. Saka sabi naman ni Miding, kasama raw ni Lucas.
Nag-iwan sa akin ng mensahe si Lucas sa cellphone eh. Magkasama nga daw sila ni Cheryl. May nangyayari daw sa kanila, pero ipapaliwanag na lang daw niya.